Hello, the following is a demo as part of our recent bigger product demo we organized together with our friends at Healthy. I will put the link to the full session in the description below because there Olivier will explain how a similar flow like this can be built in Awell's no-code platform. So in this demo you will see or hear from Rob, which is a product designer at Wellinks, on how they are using Awell to automate most of their clinical workflows without depending on much engineering resources. Please enjoy.
So I'll start the demo. One of the things that was really important for our care team, and I think this is really common amongst clinicians, right, is don't want to feel like the computer is deciding what to do. Need the ability for clinicians to provide the appropriate care and override automations when needed. So we are triggering events off of signing and locking notes, as well as appointments being created or appointments being marked as occurred. This particular workflow triggers off of the signing of a note where we can send out a survey, but let's say we know a member is on bereavement or is going to be on vacation for a few weeks. We're not sending them surveys and reminders that they've already told us they're not able to do. So this will be a member feedback survey. If you come into the Healthy chart here and you go to the chart note, you can go create the chart notes. What's great about this is there's actually multiple different notes that can trigger the same action. But we have this demo triggers off of this member event form. So if we lock the note, it'll trigger in the background, and there is, like you said, a little bit of a delay here. But the first thing that happens once we trigger the survey going out is we will actually create a task so that the clinician can monitor if these surveys have been completed or not. Oh, yep, you'll see a little new task bubble popped up here. So, hey, the member is supposed to complete this survey. We also include the link to the survey, right? So if the member can't get to chat, they need it somewhere else. Maybe they're on a call with our coach. The coach can fill it out right then and there. So that's what it looks like on the coach's side. On the member side, because we're using Healthy Chat, they will get an email saying, hey, Wellinks sent you a message. You can they can click and view the message right there. This is what the message looks like. So, hey, we'd appreciate your feedback. Here's the link to the survey. So they're able to load the survey. We have our logo here. So we got a 10 out of 10. We have a couple of different questions about our program. This is a custom form. I was able to build this custom form in like 10 minutes. So very, very quick and easy to use. Then they'll hit submit. If there were other forms for the member to fill out, Awell would prompt them right here in the workflow. But in this case, this is the last activity. So they say, hey, thank you very much. When they go back, we've sent an automated trigger for once that survey is submitted, just to thank them for their submission, which is great. And then if you go to the coaches portal, that task to complete the survey, that actually completed itself. So our clinicians don't even need to go and clean up work that's happened. The system's able to do that for them. But if that task is open, they know, hey, this person hasn't filled it out. And in this case, this is another benefit of Awell. So there is some engineering work that we'll need to do to scale this solution, right? Right now, we're putting that form data into a chart note right here, but this is a feedback form. It's not really a part of the EMR. So we're able to make a task right now for the manual work that needs to be done. but we didn't need to wait to go live with this for our engineering team to get that back-end integration going. So we're able to go live much sooner because of Awell and what we're able to build there.